In order to find a water stone in Pokemon Emerald, make your way to Slateport City because we're going to be making our way to the abandoned ship, and in the abandoned ship is where you're able to find one of the water stone locations. So let's go ahead and make our way down here, and you just want to keep on going down until you reach the beach area, which is going to appear something like this. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and begin surfing. So go ahead and select on surf. There you go. Now, what I also recommend that you guys do is to use a max repel if you're able to. This is just for clarity purposes. So let's just go ahead and use it. Okay, so then anyways, you just want to make your way to the left. Keep on going down, and then you will pass a couple like that. Keep on going to the left, and then eventually you're going to stumble upon another couple. Make sure to go ahead and pass them. And over here is the abandoned ship. So then you want to make your way inside the abandoned ship. You want to go up here, go to the center. Then you want to make your way up, and then go to this staircase. Then you want to go down here, go to the center door. You'll notice that there's going to be some water with like a little patch where you're able to dive. So let's go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and use dive just like so. So it actually does require you to be pretty far into the game in order to access the water stone. So again, just keep that in mind. But anyways, then you're going to be put to a room that looks like this. Okay, once you're here, you want to go to the hole in the wall. So here it is. Then you want to go to like the bright area, and you want to go ahead and make your way back up. And then eventually what you want to do is you want to go to the right and then go to the third door right here. And then over here is where you're able to go ahead and actually find a water gem. So it should be right here. And then there you go. Or there you go. I meant to say water stone. My apologies. But there you go. We were able to go ahead and find a water stone. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.